name is Sarah Hearn and I am the Master Trainer for myover40 in Ireland and the UK. Need more mobility and flexibility? Join me on the 29th of November where we take our course online this year. myover40. It's a program for instructors that's fully prepared, fully designed and ready to go. We have our online platform where you can download your music, your class plans and your class scripts. First of all, first step is to take our myover40 Instructor Trainer course. That's taking place on the 29th of November online. Booking now at profi.com.